Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a fascinating journey through the history of our species, Homo sapiens. From our earliest ancestors to the modern human beings we are today, we'll explore the remarkable story of human evolution. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the origins of Homo sapiens and how we've come to dominate the planet. The story of Homo sapiens begins millions of years ago in Africa. Our earliest ancestors, known as hominins, were part of a group of species that shared a common ancestor with modern chimpanzees and bonobos. Around 7 million years ago, one of the first known hominins, Sahelanthropus cadensis, roamed the forests and savannas of Africa. This species, along with others like Ardipithecus and Australopithecus, marks the beginning of a lineage that would eventually lead to us. Australopithecus, which lived around 4 to 2 million years ago, is particularly important in this lineage. These early hominins walked upright on two legs, a key adaptation that set the stage for later developments in human evolution. The famous fossil Lucy, discovered in 1974 in Ethiopia, belongs to the species Australopithecus afarensis and provides critical evidence of bipedalism. Around 2.5 million years ago, the first members of the genus Homo appeared. Homo habilis, known as the handy man, is often considered one of the earliest members of our genus due to its association with the use of simple stone tools. This development marked a significant leap in cognitive abilities and adaptability, allowing our ancestors to exploit a wider range of environments and resources. Following Homo habilis, other species such as Homo erectus emerged. Homo erectus was a particularly successful and long-lived species, surviving for nearly 2 million years. They were the first hominins to leave Africa, spreading into Asia and Europe, and were notable for their use of more sophisticated tools, the control of fire, and perhaps even early forms of social organization and hunting strategies. Homo sapiens, our own species, first appeared around 300,000 years ago in Africa. Fossil evidence from sites like Jebel Irhoud in Morocco shows that early Homo sapiens had developed a unique set of physical and behavioral traits that set them apart from other hominins. These traits included a larger brain, a more rounded skull, and a smaller face and teeth. Around 200,000 years ago, Homo sapiens began to exhibit signs of complex behavior, including the creation of symbolic art, the use of language, and the development of sophisticated tools. These cultural advancements played a crucial role in the survival and expansion of our species, allowing us to adapt to a wide range of environments and outcompete other hominins. One of the most intriguing aspects of our evolutionary history is the interaction between Homo sapiens and other hominin species. As Homo sapiens began to migrate out of Africa around 70,000 years ago, they encountered other species like the Neanderthals in Europe and Asia, and the Denisovans in Asia. Genetic evidence shows that there was interbreeding between Homo sapiens and these other hominins. Modern non-African humans carry about 1 to 2% Neanderthal DNA, while some populations in Asia and Oceania have Denisovan DNA. These genetic exchanges suggest that our evolutionary story is more complex than a simple linear progression and includes a web of interactions and adaptations. Over tens of thousands of years, Homo sapiens continued to spread across the globe, reaching every continent except Antarctica. This remarkable migration was driven by a combination of environmental changes, such as the end of the Ice Age, and cultural innovations that allowed humans to adapt to new environments. For example, in Europe, early Homo sapiens developed more advanced tools, art, and cultural practices that helped them thrive in colder climates. In Asia, humans adapted to diverse environments, from the dense rainforests of Southeast Asia to the arid deserts of Central Asia. The peopling of the Americas, which occurred around 15,000 to 20,000 years ago, was one of the last great migrations, showcasing our species' incredible adaptability and ingenuity. Around 12,000 years ago, a major shift occurred with the advent of agriculture. Humans began to domesticate plants and animals, leading to the development of permanent settlements and the rise of complex societies. This transition, known as the Neolithic Revolution, marked the beginning of a new era in human history. With the ability to produce surplus food, human populations grew and civilizations began to emerge in regions such as Mesopotamia, the Indus Valley, Egypt, and China. These early civilizations developed writing, advanced technologies, and social structures, setting the foundation for the world we know today. The evolution of Homo sapiens is a story of adaptation, innovation, and survival. From our early hominin ancestors to the technologically advanced societies we live in today, we have come a long way. But our journey is far from over. As we continue to explore our past, understand our present, and shape our future, the story of Homo sapiens is still being written. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into our history and evolution. Until next time, keep exploring.